doing the Estes method in the shampoo bowl, all of a sudden I hear like a and then something tickled my head and I was like, no.
Is it this right?
Shit!
I'm fucking out. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like a luminous.
You hear that?
Yeah.
You can see me
Who's
like
back here?
What would have happened if they had arrested us? Would have made no sense. The cops would have just looked completely dumb.
Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know.
Wait, you want to see if we can answer this?
Like a bartender.
Dude, that's fucked.
At each other's throats. I'm over here eating fucking chips while he's putting up the tent.
I know that I'm like the dude who is like the most deathly afraid of the paranormal, which is funny because I believe in it maybe the least.
Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it.
You know anything about the ink and black?
Don't talk. I am. I just hate it.
We're gonna be abducted, we're gonna see a UFO. What do you think's gonna happen tonight?
Best case scenario, man, we can get sucked up there.
You see that? Right there!
Oh, yeah. Oh, that moved. Oh! All right, yeah, that was good.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.